name of the chapter is equation of a line. Okay, general equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. To solve this sum, you should know three formulae for the slope. Slope ka first formula is slope m. Slope is also called a gradient. Both are equivalent name. Sometime in the examination they use this word slope, at other time they use the word gradation. So you should know this. Okay, and this theta is called the inclination. Okay, theta means inclination. And what is theta? Theta is the angle made by your line with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, that is the definition of inclination. So first formula is tan theta, second formula is minus a by b. So this is a, this is b, so minus a by b is the second formula for slope, which is denoted by letter m. And if you have 2 points, तो तीसरा वाला formula है y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Write this formula for 2 times, 3 times, okay? You will become thorough with it, right? And equation of line, you have three forms. Slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. M is the slope, okay? And what is c? What is c? This point is very important. What is c? When you draw a line, C वो पॉइंट है जहाँ पर वो y को इंटरसेप्ट करता है. तो एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट जस्ट इंटरसेप्ट बट इट इज y इंटरसेप्ट. y को का इंटरसेप्ट किया. एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू बी नोटेड इज दैट ये y इंटरसेप्ट का कोऑर्डिनेट जो होता है दैट इज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऑफ 0 and 6. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस पॉइंट x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज c. तो ये याद रखो, इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ओके, so then another one is slope point form. Slope दिया होगा m का वैल्यू, m is 1, m is 2, minus 1, minus 2, and एक point दिया होगा, okay, ऐसे x1 and y1. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. All the values you will substitute except for x and y. क्योंकि आपको इक्वेशन चाहिए. आपका आंसर कैन बी समथिंग लाइक दिस, 3x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. So except for x and y, okay, ये सारे नंबर्स होंगे which we are going to substitute. ठीक है. और ये 9th का कुछ चीज़ मालूम होना चाहिए, लाइक इक्वेशन ऑफ x एक्सिस इज y is equal to 0, इक्वेशन ऑफ y एक्सिस इज x is equal to 0. okay, and when line is parallel to x axis or y axis, then they have a single variable, that is x or y. X is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a is a equation of a line parallel to y axis and a units towards left hand side. Negative sign indicate left hand side. And x is equal to a is a line parallel to y axis, a units towards the right hand side. Positive indicate the right hand side. Y is equal to b is a equation of line, variable is y, so parallel to x axis, and b units, okay, b units above it, and y is equal to minus b, variable y, so line will be parallel to x axis and b units below it, negative will indicate it is below, right? इतना अगर आता तो we can start solving this sum. So first 3 sums which we are going to take, they are from your specimen paper. Lines are parallel. Okay, lines are parallel, and when lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. When lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So I'll say M1 is the slope of this first line, and M2 is the slope of the second line, this line. Right? Now these slopes are equal. How to find slope? एक फॉर्मूला दिया था मैंने आप लोगों को स्लोप को. रिमेंबर, माइनस a by b. स्लोप इज माइनस a by b. सो व्हाट इज m1? ओके, x के साथ में क्या होता है? a होता है. ओके, तो x के साथ में a है, माइनस a, एंड b का मिलता है आपको y के साथ में. y के साथ में क्या है? 7. सो दिस इज minus a by 7. Is it fine? And what is slope of this line? Okay, so m1 is minus a by 7. And what about this? Okay, minus a by b. a के साथ में क्या है? minus 1 है. So minus of minus 1 upon b किसके साथ में होता है? y के साथ में, that is 2. So this is what? Minus minus becomes plus. So this is 1 by 2. Okay, so slope of the second line is half. So what? When you cross multiply, what do you get? A is equal to, let us say माइनस उधर भेज दिया, -7 को उधर भेज दिया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ओके, सो -7/2 is the answer. Do we have this option? Okay, -7/2. So correct option is option B. Right? Okay, I will not erase this. ये फाइल में सेव करके रख दूंगा और फिर बाद में I will share it with you. Second वाला, do you want to try this second one? Find the equation of a line perpendicular. This time it is perpendicular. Perpendicular में okay, we saw parallel के लिए slopes are equal. बट परपेंडिकुलर के लिए स्लोप कैसे होता है? ओके, एक का स्लोप जो होता है ओके m1 इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल 1/m2. सो नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होता है. और इवन यू कैन से m1 इंटू m2 इज इक्वल टू -1. ये थियरी मालूम होना चाहिए. ओके, आइदर दिस, हाँ पैरेलल के लिए तो इक्वल होता है, इसके लिए डायग्राम इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट बट फॉर आवर रेफरेंस वी विल ड्रॉ डायग्राम. ओके, वी हैव पॉइंट ए, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऑफ 1 and 4 and point B, ordered pair of 2 and 3. So let me take this. Okay, segment AB. There is a point P and a perpendicular is dropped from here, and I am naming this point as point M. Remember, M is not a midpoint. It is not given that M is a midpoint. Okay, it is a perpendicular. Okay, PM is perpendicular. I know the coordinates of point P, ordered pair of -1 and 2, right? So I want the equation of line. Find the equation of line. I want the equation of line. From point P, perpendicular dropped from P onto the line joining this. ठीक है? अच्छा यहाँ देखो, एक तो मेरे पास पॉइंट है, I have a point. अगर मुझे स्लोप मिल जाएगा, स्लोप, somehow if I find out a slope of PM, तो I can write a equation in slope point form. Correct? Can I get slope of line AB? Slope of AB, okay, slope of line AB. तो AB का दोनों पॉइंट मालूम है मुझे. I'll take one as x1 y1, other as x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Correct? y2 let us say 3 है and y1 4, 3 minus 4, and x2 minus x1 2 minus 1. 3 minus 4 is -1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So is my answer -1/1? Now tell me, what is slope of line PM? Slope of line PM. AB and PM are, okay, AB and PM are perpendicular to one another. Perpendicular line का क्या होता है? नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल. तो ये माइनस है, तो इसका जो स्लोप होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव होगा तो नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव होगा तो पॉजिटिव. सो प्लस, और 1/1, 1 का रेसिप्रोकल तो 1 ही आता है, तो स्लोप इज 1. स्लोप इज 1. ओके, सो स्लोप इज 1 एंड पॉइंट इज -1. पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है -1 and 2. ओके, तो स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म में आई विल गेट माई इक्वेशन. आई विल ट्राई टू गेट माई इक्वेशन इन स्लोप पॉइंट 5. चलो इधर सॉल्व करता हूँ. व्हाट इज स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म? y minus y1 इज इक्वल टू m इंटू x माइनस x1. नहीं, y को तो y ही रखना पड़ता है. ओके, y को y ही रखना पड़ता है, माइनस y1 इज 2. slope I got as 1 into x will be as it is. I told you we want a equation, तो x और y को कुछ नहीं करना है. and x1 is -1. तो minus of -1 will be +1. so what am I getting? Therefore what? y minus 2 is equal to x plus 1. एक साइड में 0 रखेंगे and all the numbers will be on other side. Okay, plus y will go there, will become minus y. Plus 1 is already there, -1 वहाँ जाकर बनेगा, -2 will go to the other side, will become +2. So my answer is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. याद रखो, अर्लियर वी हैड अ क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू पैरेलल लाइन. ओके, हियर इट वाज पैरेलल, नाउ वी हैव परपेंडिकुलर. सो वॉच आउट फॉर दिस. हाँ, तो ये याद रखो. देखो कैसा क्वेश्चन डिजाइन किया स्पेसिमेन पेपर में भी, एग्जाम में भी ऐसा ही आएगा. वन विल बी रिलेटेड टू पैरेलल लाइन, मे बी अदर विल बी रिलेटेड टू परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. ओके, now next one is the diagram based question. Next one is the diagram based question. Okay, this diagram is given. So in a given diagram, OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. We will use this information. Angle OAB is theta. Angle OAB is theta. Line AB passes through point P, -3 and 4 in ordered pair. Find the slope inclination of a line AB and equation of line AB. So 3 marks. 1 mark for slope, 1 mark for inclination or theta and 1 mark for equation of a line. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं हम लोग थीटा. एनी आइडिया व्हाट थीटा इज और इंक्लिनेशन इज? दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. व्हाई राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल? बिकॉज एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस आर परपेंडिकुलर टू वन अनदर. And also isosceles triangle, right angle isosceles triangle. So base angles will be equal, angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. So if this is theta, this will also be theta. And by angle sum property of a triangle, if you add all three, theta plus 90 is equal to 180, and on solving you will get theta as 45 degree. Okay, so first answer, inclination is 45 degree. Correct? What about slope? Which formula will you use for finding out a slope? Slope is equal to
tan theta.
Tan theta, because we have theta. So tan 45 degree. What is value of tan 45 degree?
1.
So slope is 1. My first answer is 45 degrees inclination and slope is 1. Next one is I want a equation of line AB. Now मेरे पास slope है line AB का. Slope है and I have a point. I have slope and I have point. So just like a previous question, we can find out answer in slope point form. In slope point form. What is slope point form? ये बायट होना चाहिए. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x और y को तो सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. y minus y1. y1 is 4. स्लोप m इज 1 इंटू एक्स. एक्स तो सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं करना है. x1 इज -3. माइनस ऑफ -3 विल बिकम +3. राइट? ऑन ओपनिंग द ब्रैकेट, इसको अगर मैं 0 रखता हूँ, सो दिस इज x प्लस वाई विल गो टू अदर साइड, विल बिकम -y. +3 पहले से ही है, वहाँ जाकर बन जाएगा -4 +4. सो दैट इज माई इक्वेशन इज x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. You are expected to write equation in this form, a general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ठीक है? So this is the answer. So 1 mark for this, 1 mark for slope and 1 mark for equation of the lines, 3 marks. What we have to find in sum number 4? Find the inclination of line L in the following diagram. Can you tell me what is inclination? Inclination means what? Inclination means theta. Okay, inclination मतलब क्या? Angle made with the positive direction of x axis. What is answer over here?
135 degree.
बराबर ना? See, ये inclination है. Angle made with the positive direction of x axis. So this is positive direction of x axis and this actual line. इन दोनों के बीच का ये. Okay? सो व्हाट इज दिस? दोनों मिलकर 45 और थीटा मिलकर 180 है, बिकॉज स्ट्रेट लाइन 180. सो थीटा इज 180 डिग्री माइनस 45 डिग्री. सो योर इंक्लिनेशन इज 135 डिग्री. इज इट करेक्ट? बताओ सेकेंड में इंक्लिनेशन क्या है? अगेन सेम थिंग, 180 डिग्री माइनस 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 150 डिग्री. सो वेरी इजी, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, थर्ड का बताओ इंक्लिनेशन. पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस. एक्स एक्सिस का पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन इज दिस एंड दिस इज द एक्चुअल लाइन. हाँ, सो 180 माइनस 150 डिग्री. सो दिस इज हाउ मच? 30 डिग्री इज द इंक्लिनेशन. स्लोप नहीं पूछा, अदरवाइज tan लगाकर वी कैन फाइंड आउट स्लोप ऑल्सो. नाउ सी, दिस इज पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस एंड दिस इज अ लाइन. ओके, तो ये आया थीटा. Now what we say, theta is equal to 135 degree because vertically opposite angles formed are equal. Right now vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Any doubt? हाँ, तो ये सम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एग्जाम में भी आ सकता है एज वेल. आप लोगों का ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है इंक्लिनेशन वाला वो भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. फाइंड आउट स्लोप इन ऑल थ्री केसेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में व्हाट इज स्लोप, 2 में व्हाट इज स्लोप एंड 3rd में व्हाट इज स्लोप. स्लोप का कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? इंक्लिनेशन इज गिवन, वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इज गिवन. Okay, these values are values of theta and slope is tan theta. So in first case tan 0 degree, tan 0 का value होता है 0. So in first case slope is 0. यार tan 90 degree, tan 90 degree क्या आएगा? 1?
Not defined.
Not defined. Okay, not defined is your answer. And in third case tan 30, do you remember how much is tan 30?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Easy? Okay, solve this question. Find the slope of the line which passes through these 2 points. Straightforward question. Okay, very straightforward. Direct to the point. Find the slope of a line passing through this point. So this coordinates you can take as x1 and y1. This coordinates you can take as x2 and y2. Right? So what is formula for slope? M is equal to what? Which formula are you going to use? Tan theta? Tan theta definitely not, because यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं theta. In fact we have x1, y1 and x2, y2, 2 points. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Minus 5 minus 6. So this will become plus 6. Minus 2 minus 4. So 6 minus 5 is plus 1. And minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So minus you can place here. So slope is minus 1 by 6. Slope का formula, which formula? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope is 2 is equal to y2 3 minus y1 5 x2 k minus x1 2. Okay, अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो what this become? 2 into k is 2k, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. और ये क्या बना? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. हाँ, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है, ये 1 है. सो व्हाट इज दिस नाउ? 2k is equal to minus 2 plus 4. Therefore 2k is equal to plus 2, isn't it? Plus 2. So dividing both sides by 2, k is equal to 1 is the answer. Now as we move from one sum to another sum, remember that difficulty level will increase. Let's solve this question. Find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis. I told you about a parallel line. This kind of questions can be asked. Parallel to x-axis passing through this point. Answer can be found out just in 1 or 2 seconds, not more than that. Now see, line is parallel to x-axis. See here, line is parallel to x-axis. I told you right in my introduction wala part, when line is either parallel to x-axis or y-axis, there is only one variable. So which variable you are going to have in this equation, x or y? Y. Okay, x-axis, so variable is y. And what is y equal to? Look at this point, this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So your y coordinate is 4. So your equation is y is equal to 7. Equation of a line. But we have to write this in a general form. तो सब कुछ left side में और right side में 0. So this is your answer. Y minus 7 is equal to 0. So very easy. But if you don't know the concept of parallel lines, so this will be a problematic situation. Do 9th one. In a coordinate geometry, you do not actually draw a graph. But हाँ, थोड़ा scribbling rough work में कर सकते हो आप लोग. Find the equation of a line. Yes, we want the equation of a line. Chapter का नाम ही है equation of a line. And this line is equidistant from other two lines. And which are those two lines? X is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 12. Single variable means lines are parallel. Now see this. Let me draw x axis and y axis. Right? Now see here. Line is, equation of a line is x is equal to -6. X means parallel to y axis. -6 means 6 units towards the left hand side. Okay, this is -6. This is x is equal to -6, this line. And other line is x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 means somewhere here. It will intersect at x variable means parallel to y axis and 12 units towards the right hand side. Plus means 12. Okay, 12. Now the line which we want, जो line हमको चाहिए, okay, that line is equidistant. तो इन दोनों का मिड पॉइंट, okay, दोनों से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है, इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है, मतलब लाई करेगा समवेयर एट द मिड पॉइंट. इज दिस ग्रीन कलर विजिबल क्लियरली ऑन योर स्क्रीन?
Yes.
हाँ, ये मिड पॉइंट है, ये मिड पॉइंट है. ओके, इन दोनों का मिड पॉइंट है. ओके, दिस इज अ मिड पॉइंट. सो व्हाट विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ x हियर? सो x विल बी व्हाट? ओके, -6 मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला प्लस 12 डिवाइड बाय 2. हाउ मच? x is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6 divided by 2. So 3. But how do we write a equation? Right hand side is 0 and all the terms on the left hand side. So equation of a required line is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, हर एक पॉइंट, ये दोनों लाइन से लाइन इक्विडिस्टेंट है, मतलब ऑल 3 लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. और पता चलता है कि ये दो लाइन y एक्सिस को पैरेलल है, तो हमारा लाइन जो है रिक्वायर्ड लाइन दैट विल ऑल्सो बी पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. सो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सो इक्विडिस्टेंट है, मतलब दिस पॉइंट इज अ मिड पॉइंट. तो दिस पॉइंट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट यूजिंग मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला, मिड पॉइंट एंड सेक्शन फॉर्मूला एंड मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला, उधर ये पढ़ते हैं. लेट्स गो टू द 10th सम. ओके, यहाँ x इज इक्वल टू 3 दिया है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट x माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, हाँ, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन 10th वाला. So find the equation of a straight line whose inclination is theta, whose inclination is 60 degree, means theta is equal to 60 degree. And what? And y intercept is -3. Very good. Y intercept को कैसे लिखने का? Y intercept के लिए कोई सिंबल है?
C.
Yes, ये याद होना चाहिए. Okay, y intercept is equal to -3. Okay, so we, इससे आप लोग स्लोप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. And this is what? Y intercept or intercept. So you can write a equation. अगर आपको पता है slope intercept form, तो you can write the equation. First let us find out slope. Slope is equal to tan theta. So tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, isn't it √3 slope? And what is slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Substitute करो and get the answer. Y and x we never touch it. We keep as it is because हमको equation चाहिए in 2 variables. Slope is √3 and c का value is -3. So everything on one side and one side 0. So √3x minus y -3. So my left hand side becomes 0, which I write on the right hand side. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. मे बी दे विल क्लब 2 or 3 क्वेश्चंस. चलो 11th वाला करो. Gradient is given and y intercept is given. Find the answer. चलो फटाफट. Gradient means slope. This is what you should know. Slope is 1/3 and y intercept means c is equal to 3. I have slope and I have intercept. So equation of line, okay, equation of required line is what? In slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. I won't be touching x and y. So m is 1/3 and c is 3. So multiplying each term by 3. So multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. This 3 got cancelled. 3y is equal to x plus 9. Therefore this is 0 and this is what? X minus 3y plus 9. That means my answer is x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Did If all of you got the same answer, is this your answer?
Yes, sir.
Don't go wrong with this calculation, and the best method is don't use LCM. If you have a denominator, multiply this same number, but you can't multiply a single term. You have to multiply each term by that number. So this is the answer, correct? Next sum, C is equal to -4. Y intercept on y axis, okay, C is equal to -4. अगर intercept है तो we require slope also. Slope is not given. Slope is not given. Can we find out slope? No. Why? क्योंकि एक पॉइंट है, स्लोप के लिए दूसरा कोई क्लू नहीं है. So I am afraid this cannot be used. Yes, intercept is -4, but I don't have slope. I have a point. Point intercept form तो नहीं है. So how do you solve? Okay, 2 marks question, 3 minutes. चलो, your time starts now. तो क्या आपके पास point है? In fact, you have 2 points. 2 point form. 2 points form. Okay, 2 point form. कैसे? एक point तो ये है 3 and -1, which we can equate with x1 and y1. और याद है मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था इंटरसेप्ट. ओके, y एक्सिस पर इंटरसेप्ट करता तो x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट इज -4. दिस इज x2 एंड y2. दिस इज y1. करेक्ट ना? y इंटरसेप्ट, रिमेंबर, याद है क्या बताया था मैंने? y इंटरसेप्ट या y या कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है? 0, c. 0, c. So c is -4 और 0. So use 2 point form. क्या इक्वेशन चाहिए ना? इक्वेशन इन 2 point form. Equation of line in 2 point form. 2 point form. Remember क्या है वो? y minus y1 अपॉन x minus x1, ये बायट होना चाहिए, इज इक्वल टू y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Clear? We are not going to touch x and y as it is. Y and x as it is. What is y1? Y1 is -1. Minus -1 will become +1. x1 is 3. So -3. y2 minus y1, -4 -1 will become +1. And x2 0 minus x1, so that is 3. Don't go wrong with the substitution. Therefore what you get? Y plus 1 upon x minus 3 is equal to -1 plus -4 plus 1 is -3. 0 minus 3 is also -3. So this right hand side become 1. Okay, and when you cross multiply, what you get? X minus 3 is equal to y plus 1. Am I right? Therefore x minus y minus 3 plus 1 comes here but becomes -1. So therefore x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Is given answer same? Yes. But write answer in a general form. That is advisable. अभी थोड़ा difficulty level increase होगा. There are 2 parts to this question. Come on, solve. 2 marks, 2 question, 3 minutes. Now see, this is a equation of a line. You can compare this with what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope का एक formula कौन सा? minus a by b. Minus a by b. So minus a you will get along with the x. X के साथ क्या है? -4. And b you will get along y, that is 4. So this is what? 4 upon 4, 1 आया. So slope is 1. Slope is what? 1. And we have to find out what? Theta. तो formula use करेंगे, m is equal to tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to slope is 1. But tan 45 is 1. Tan of 45 degree is equal to 1. When you compare this two, you will say that theta or inclination is equal to 45 degree. So this was my second answer. Okay, answer is 1. First answer is 1, second is 45. Anybody did some other method and not this one? Okay, what you did was 4y is equal to minus 4x goes to the other side, become plus 4x, plus 8 goes to the other side, become minus. Okay, dividing each term by 4. So what you get, y is equal to 1x minus 2, and you compare this with y is equal to mx plus c. So value of m is equal to 1, right? अगर यहाँ पूछा y intercept, so this method can be useful. तो y intercept c is equal to minus 2 and coordinates are 0, c, right ना, मतलब 0, minus 2. इससे रिलेटेड अगर होता कोई इक्वेशन रिलेटेड टू y, तो देन दिस मेथड वाज मोर हेल्पफुल. Otherwise direct method है ना, minus a by b, you can use that. So 14th one, a diagram is given. As you all know, diagram related question. A line passes through point P whose coordinates are in ordered pair of 5 and 3. Intersect y-axis at Q. So y-axis at Q. Write the slope of the line. Very easy. Can I say theta is equal to 45 degree? Is this 45 degrees satisfy my equation that line making a angle with the positive direction of x-axis, right? So theta is 45 degree. My first question is slope. Slope का formula है tan theta, which means tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degree is what? 1. My first answer, slope is 1. Correct? I want equation of a line. Equation of line in what? Slope point form. Because I have slope and I have point. Correct na? So slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Is it correct? So y minus y1 is 3. Slope is 1 into x minus x1 is 5. If you open the bracket, y minus 3 is equal to x minus 5. So one side you keep as 0. So x minus y minus 5 plus 3. That is x minus y minus 2, isn't it? Is equal to 0. Now how to get q? चलो इसी को मैं दूसरे फॉर्म में लिखता हूँ. Y is equal to what? Okay, if I shift y there, so y is equal to x minus 2, correct? So if I compare this with y is equal to mx plus c, okay, mx plus c, we already know slope is 1 and c is equal to minus 2. But c y intercept है ना, या y intercept नहीं पूछा, coordinates पूछा, x coordinate and y coordinate, okay? तो q का coordinates, 3 lines will write for coordinate. So that is 0, c. So q का coordinates are ordered pair of 0 and minus 2. So coordinates are 0 and minus 2. Just minus 2 is a y intercept. ये अगर आप लोग लिखोगे तो आपको mark नहीं मिलेगा. 1 mark you will not get. Okay, find the equation of the line. This is very simple. Passing through a point whose coordinates are in ordered pair of 2 and 3 and having a slope 3. चलो find करो. चलो equation of line in I have a slope and I have a point. So what is slope point form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y and x I don't touch. By the way, y1 is 3, m slope 3, x as it is x1 is 2. So if you open the bracket, 3x minus 6, 3 multiplied by both the terms inside the bracket. I keep this as 0, so this becomes 3x plus y goes there, become minus y, minus 6 here, minus 3 goes there, become plus 3. So 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is the answer. Is this answer same? Yes. Now this is very important question, 16th वाला. Chalo, solve it. Okay, say 3 marks question. I'll give you 4.5 minutes. Now see, question is very simple. See here. Let us say I have x-axis and I have y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. I have to find out the equation of line which is equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means, okay, singular is axis and plural is axis, means x-axis and y-axis. Means something like this. Okay, this is my line. Now this line passes through this point. Any name given? No. 4, 8. And it is equally inclined in third quadrant. So in third quadrant it make equal intercept with both the axis. X axis से angle बनाया theta, y axis से भी बनाया angle theta. Find the equation of this line, blue color का line. Now is it simple? Okay, it should be second quadrant. Okay, so there is a correction, it is a second quadrant. Find the equation of a line passing through this point, ordered pair of 4 and 8 and equally inclined to the coordinate axis in the second quadrant. Right, can I say theta is equal to 45 degree? Okay, this is a repeated part. This triangle is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, why? Because two angles are equal. So on solving you will get theta as 45 degree. So what is slope? Slope is tan theta, means tan 45 degree. That means slope is equal to 1. And point, coordinates of the points are what? 4, 8. So I have point and I have slope. So equation of line in slope point form. Slope point form. So equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore y is 8. No, y we have to keep as it is. X और y को touch नहीं करना. y1 is 8. Slope is 1. X as it is, x1 is 4. So this is x minus 4. This is y minus 8. So इसको अगर 0 रखते हैं, so x minus y minus 4 plus 8. Okay, दोनों उधर चले गए. That is x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is my answer. चलो 17th वाला करें. Nice question. 3 marks question. 4.5 minutes. Find the equation of line passing through a point. Okay, point तो है. And intersecting a line on x axis. ये इस information को कैसे use करेंगे? X axis, y axis, right? और एक line है. कौन सा? 2x plus 3y plus 6. Let us say ये वाला line है. This line is, okay, 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now our required line, हमको जो line चाहिए, my line will pass through this, okay, x axis like this. लेकिन ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट से पास नहीं हो रहा, दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बट एनीवे वो तो हम लोग. ओके, सो पॉइंट लाइज, ये पॉइंट आई डोंट नो, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन वाई कोऑर्डिनेट इज डेफिनेटली 0. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को मैं क्या लूँगा? ए लूँगा. करेक्ट. ओके, व्हाट आई विल से इज, लेट, लिसन हियर, लेट ए, नाउ लेट दिस पॉइंट, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऑफ ए एंड 0 lie on 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. बराबर ना, क्योंकि ब्लू लाइन जो है ब्लैक लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करता है ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. एक्स एक्सिस पर पॉसिबल y कोऑर्डिनेट तो डेफिनेटली 0 है बिकॉज पॉइंट लाइज ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट कुछ नहीं पता है. ओके, बट हमको ये पता है कि ये पॉइंट वो 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 इस पर लाई करता है. ओके, देयरफॉर x के जगह आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट a और y के जगह आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट 0 बिकॉज दिस विल सेटिस्फाई दिस लाइन. तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? देयरफॉर 2 इंटू ए एक्स प्लस 3 इंटू वाई, वाई इज 0 प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. देयरफॉर दिस इज 2a हाँ 3 इंटू 0 इज 0, उसको इग्नोर करेंगे, प्लस 6 वहाँ जाकर बन गया -6, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाई 2, ओके, सो 2 टू कैंसल, a इज इक्वल टू -3। हाँ देयरफॉर वो पॉइंट जो है उसका कोऑर्डिनेट है -3 एंड 0। हाँ, नाउ वी कैन राइट इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म्स, 2 पॉइंट्स फॉर्म, ओके, एक तो वो इस पॉइंट से पास होता है 2 और 4 से, एंड दूसरा इससे -3 एंड 0 से, ओके, -3 एंड 0। हाँ ये ब्लू लाइन ऐसा नहीं आएगा, ये वाला लाइन, ओके, विल कम समवॉट लाइक दिस, क्योंकि वो इधर लाई करता है ना, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऑफ 2 एंड 4, यस, और 2x प्लस 3y को यहाँ इंटरसेक्ट करता है, ओके। सो नाउ यू हैव दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स एज वेल एज क्या, -3 एंड 0, -3 एंड 0, ओके, ये 2 पॉइंट है, दिस एंड दिस, सो 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म, y माइनस y1 अपॉन x माइनस x1 इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1। कितने लोगों ने इसी मेथड से किया? y minus y1, y1 let us say 4 upon x minus x1, x1 is 2, is equal to what, y2 0 minus 4 upon -3 minus 2. Is my substitution correct? So what am I getting? Y minus 4 upon x minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 4 is -4, minus 2 minus 3 is -5, so this cancel। अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 इंटू एक्स माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू वाई माइनस 4, सो 4x minus 8 is equal to 5y minus 20, therefore 4x minus 5y minus 8 plus 20 is equal to 0, therefore 4x minus 5y, this is what, 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. Is this the equation? 4x minus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. Yes. करें next वाला?
Yes, sir.
And next वाला again important question. Next 18th one is also very important. Very frequently this kind of question is asked in the examination. Right? एक triangle है. Let me draw a scalene triangle. Okay, vertex A with ordered pair of 3 and 5. Vertex B with ordered pair of 7 and 8. And vertex C with ordered pair of 1 and minus 10. Find the equation of a median through A. There is a median. Okay, there is a median from A. Median means what? It joins the vertex A to the midpoint. Okay, so M is a midpoint. इसका आप लोगों को coordinates find out करना पड़ेगा midpoint का. Okay, what are the coordinates of midpoint M? Midpoint formula याद है? x1 plus x2, x plus 1 x plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, x1 is, let us say 7 plus 1 upon 2 and then 8 plus minus is minus 10 upon 2. So 8 upon 2 which will be 4 and what, minus 2 upon 2, correct na, which will be minus 1. Is this correct? Okay, M ka midpoint of 4 and minus 1. Now you have A के coordinates, okay, and M के coordinates, and you have to find equation of AM. So in 2 point forms. बताओ क्या आता है 2 point form में? Equation of AM, हाँ, या equation of median in 2 point form. 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म, 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म बायट होना चाहिए, विच इज y माइनस y1 अपॉन x माइनस x1 इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. ओके, so this will be what, y and x as it is, y1 and x1 किसको लेते हैं, उसको लेते हैं, y1 5 and x1 3 is equal to y2 minus 1 minus y1 5 and y2 4 minus x2 4 minus x1 3. So therefore y minus 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to minus 6 upon 1. करेक्ट ना? तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो माइनस 6, चलो इससे करते हैं, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, y माइनस 5 is equal to minus 6 into x is minus 6x, minus 6 into minus 3 is plus 18. So minus 6 इधर आया और बन गया plus 6 plus y minus 5 plus 18 come this side becomes minus 18. So therefore this is 6x plus y minus minus, sign will be minus and you will add, 23 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Very important question, very important question. This kind of questions are asked frequently in the examination to find the equation of median. In fact, they can ask you equation from a median B also and equation from median C as well. So that can be an additional part. 19th वाला same question है, देखो PQR, write the equation of a median of a triangle through R. We have a parallelogram ABCD, correct? Parallelogram ABCD. A के coordinates are missing. Okay, B का coordinate है 5 and 8. C का coordinates are 4 and 7. And D's coordinate are 2 and minus 4. Find the missing coordinate. One nice question this. ठीक है, करेंगे. Now see, there are two variables x and y. So we require two equations to find x and y. We require two equations to find x and y. Parallelogram means what? Opposite sides parallel. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Very important question. ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, can I say AB is parallel to DC? AB parallel to DC. Therefore, can I say slope of AB M1 is equal to slope of CD M2? AB and CD are parallel, so their slopes are equal. Okay, कैसे slope find out करेंगे? तो दो point है, y2 minus y1, let us say y minus 8 is equal to what? X minus 5, and CD minus 4 minus 7, 2 minus 4. Are we on a right track? So y minus 8 upon x minus 5 is equal to minus 11 upon minus 2. Correct na? Minus minus cancelled. On cross multiplication we get 11x minus 55 is equal to 2y minus 16. Therefore 11x minus 2y minus 55 plus 16 is equal to 0. By the way, find क्या करना है? Find the coordinates of A. Yes. So 11x minus 2y, how much is this? 39 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. इतना बड़ा सम आया तो पेपर कंप्लीट करना it's very difficult. Now see this. Also I'll write BC is parallel to AD. AD is parallel to BC. Am I right? Therefore, this time I am saying slope of AD M3 is equal to slope of BC M4. So again same thing. Y minus minus 4 is y plus 4. X minus 2. Okay, AD का slope. इसका क्या आएगा? 8 minus 7 upon 5 minus 4. ठीक है, is it 1 and 1 both? When you cross multiply, what do you get? X minus 2 into 1 and y plus 4 into 1. So my equation is x minus y is equal to 4 plus 2. और can I take x को ऐसे ही रखा, माइनस y उधर जाकर प्लस y बन गया and 4 plus 2 is 6, equation 2. Let us substitute. Okay, अभी x और y find out करना है, तो rule of elimination. तो substituting, हाँ, equation 2 in 1, तो क्या आएगा? 11x, x का वैल्यू है y plus 6, minus 2y minus 39 is equal to 0. So 11y plus 66, opening the bracket with 11, minus 2y minus 39 is equal to 0. One variable and one equation. यहाँ भी y मिलेगा. 11y minus 2y, is it 9y? Plus 66 minus 39, how much? Plus 27, correct na? Is equal to 0. Therefore 9y is equal to minus 27. Dividing both sides by 9. Okay, so my y is equal to minus 3, correct? So long sum, okay. On substituting, y is equal to minus 3 in where? In equation 2. So what do I get? X is equal to y plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Now I can surely say coordinates of A. Okay, A के coordinates are, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is minus 3. Oh, such a long sum. Is my answer correct? Yes, 3 and minus 3. Equation of diagonal BD. Can you get equation of diagonal BD? Equation of diagonal BD. You have both the coordinates of B and D. So get that equation. Equation of BD in what? In 2-point forms. 2-point form. Okay, y minus y1 upon x minus x1. B को लेते हैं 1 1. So 5, y is 8, x is 5 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So b क्या है? 2 minus 4, x2 and y is minus 4. कितना आया? minus 12 upon 5 minus 3 is my. Okay, so minus minus cut 4. Cross multiply किया what? 4x minus 20 is equal to y minus 8. Therefore 4x minus y minus 20 plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x minus y, how much? Minus 12 is equal to 0. Four x minus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Oh yes, correct.